we can all agree that our system is wicked. Our system that we live in this plane is backwards, to say the least. As we can see, it promotes taking the man out the house, not needing a man, not needing a father, not needing a dad in the household. The government pretty much, like you see in the 60s and 70s, as you start to see laws being placed in order to help the low-income families, the women had to choose to kick out the man out the house in order to receive benefits from the government. So pretty much the government said, in order for you to get benefits to feed your children, to feed yourself and take care of yourself, you got to kick out the man, replace the man with me, the government, so that we could take care of you, and you can be on your own by yourself in a home with the children without the man. So pretty much the man was replaced by what? Government. That's why we have birth certificates. We sign the birth certificates because we're signing over the children to the government. So with that being said, don't you see the same thing that happened with the Bible? In the beginning, you had Adam and Eve. And then all of a sudden, in the New Testament, you only had Mary. And you start to see, at least for me, I start to see a lot of things that don't make sense as far as when it comes to JC, Jesus Christ, or the character of Jesus Christ in the New Testament. I say that respectfully. Number one, he grew up with a stepfather, Joseph. Number two, so that's already a broken family. Remember, what happens in heaven happens on earth. What happens in the spiritual realm happens in the physical realm. So if it's not working in the physical realm, why would it work in the heavenly realm? Why would the Father use a broken system, a broken tactic in order to fix what he thought was broken in the beginning? Adam and Eve was broken, so let me fix it with a more broken system. Number two, when Jesus picked his disciples, he picked all men. All the men left what? Their families to follow a man. Three, what did Jesus Christ say? Think not that I have come to bring peace, but a sword that would divide a mother from a child, a father from a son, a brother from a sister. So basically, how did we ever come to think that this was good? Well, no, it's a more, your ways are not his ways are not your ways. Okay, I get that. But if we're thinking logically, if we're thinking with a mind, with a brain, we're seeing what happens here in society with broken homes and broken families. If the Father is all about family, community, togetherness, why would he make so much division or create ways to have more division? Doesn't make sense. And then you have one Bible with many different tentacles, many different branches, and then under those branches have other branches, all division, created all this division, which was supposed to be out of one book that is supposed to be perfect from beginning to end. From beginning to end, it's supposed to be a perfect book. Yet we're taught to read it in the middle, first of all. We're taught to start in the middle, not in the beginning. So I'm just trying to make you think. That's all I'm saying. It just doesn't make sense to me. And if you look at statistics, you look at this world, I mean, it doesn't take a rocket scientist to see what's going on. Why? And one more thing. If you have children, say I'm a father, I have children. Why would I want somebody in between me and my children in our relationship? No, you can't talk to me. Anything you need to talk to this man right here. He's just like me. Don't worry about it. I will be in the background because I'm too holy for you to touch me, to speak to me. You have to go through a mediator to speak to me. Does that make sense? Like, come on, man. We really got to think. I understand your indoctrination. I was there. I lived it. I taught it. I preached it myself. But come on, man. We got to realize things that it's not making sense. Who brought Christianity over here? A rapist culture. They pushed Christianity. Anyway,